Hello, guys. This is my first recording. Well, kind of not really. I tried recording Hellsinger a long time ago um, by streaming it, but that didn't work out very well. For those of you who know what it was like recording that, hopefully this will be a little bit different. And I'm starting my experience with recording now because I don't know what I'm doing. Alrighty. Gotta get my favorite color. Gosh darn it. Alright, I'm fine with that. And then if you just go ahead and start. I don't care about the outfit all that much. Let's start today off with... I'm gonna do turkey. Turkey in the city. We're not doing turkey. We're gonna do microwave burgers. That's right. Bring in a microwave with me. Oh, we can't change the name? Oh, well. We still got the best buns. Alright. I'm trying to remember what the buns are for this. Gosh, it's not like that. That's not where I wanted that, and you know it. Sure. That works. Alright, we want... What do we want? Kind of don't like the layout of this already. Okay. You want our sink next to the dishes, and you want the dishes next to the sink. But you run around like that, it's kind of a hassle. That's a better spot for it. You want our meat next to our microwave. Our buns next to our microwave. So we can go meat, microwave, buns. Or should I do... I should definitely do it the other way around. Meat, microwave, buns. And then... Yeah, I don't like the layout of this map already, even though I chose it. I'll just go ahead and bring these hogs down here in case I need. Just go ahead and start the day, because ain't nothing we can do about it. Wait, okay. Half of our burgers are microwaves. Only half. That was a bad idea. Got it. That's fine. I got it, guys. So good. Oh yeah, I forgot the biggest thing about burgers is that you don't get money. You don't get any money. Pushing buttons in the wrong order. I don't really know what to talk about. You know what I mean? I don't want to be quiet, but at the same time, I don't know. The game's what's on my mind. I might be better at, like, competitive commentary than I would be for just, like, the regular casual games. Or maybe even just games with friends. I was thinking about that too, because I think it would be easier for me to play with people because they're actually funny and I'm not. Not really. And I think it would be a more enjoyable experience for my viewers if I wasn't the only one playing the game, because I have no idea what I'm talking about. And I don't know how to edit things yet. I don't know how to... or what to talk about. I don't know... anything. I just don't know anything. But, if I had someone here with me, it would just be like a normal conversation for the most part. Kind of, I think. And... oh, didn't mean to do that. And, well, I think it would be fun to do. I mean, depends on the person, and depends on what we're doing, and it would be fun without recording too, but I don't know. Oh no, that's not... oh. That's fine. I only kind of know what I'm doing in the game. Oh, I already hit it already. Get another burger. Okay, I gotta go. I gotta go. People waiting. People waiting. People waiting. People waiting. That's not what I need. Alright, there we go. That looks a bit better. Yeah. Get this guy out of here. Ah, there's another person. Ah, no, I started a fire again. Right, we chillin'. chilling. Believe it or not, me chilling. Alright. I got these dishes. Probably let Mike do some cooking. Ah! Alright, time to feed some hungry people. Oh my god, my cat was just standing on my computer. I hope they didn't break anything. Oh, I should probably play the game too. Looks like I got a cutting board, which is not handy. It's not super useful. Unless... I'm fine with chopped cheese. Workstation, yep, chopping faster. Let's see how to chop cheese. That's not the right one. Recipes. Okay. Practice. Chop cheese. You just put cheese on the counter and you chop it. Sick. That is the weirdest way to create a chopped cheeseburger. A cheeseburger. Okay, yeah, that is the weirdest cheeseburger of my life. And I make cheeseburgers for actual work. I don't actually make the cheeseburgers, but I want an upgraded sink, so I'm gonna do that. Excuse me. I was gonna do a reroll, but that's probably not the greatest idea. For now, let's move cheese to a better position. That is not a good better position. That is also not a good spot. There we go. Yeah, I think that's just what we're doing. Any of those out there, any of you listening that know me, I'm curious as to if you would want to join me in games, if there's something that you'd want to play specifically, if there's just, you know, any interaction that I can get out of it. That's not what I mean. But like, you know, I was saying earlier, I want to play with people rather than just kind of doing my own thing, because I think it would be easier for me because I don't really know what I'm doing. I know it's hard to get groups of people to do things sometimes. No! Stop it! Ah! I am the worst person to give a microwave, apparently. Alright, let's see what these guys want. Cheese, double cheese. That is not a plate. I probably should have picked up a place. Quickly. And you guys also want cheese. What? People like cheese? Oh, that might be it for me. I know it's only day like 4. We can't even see the 7 screen. Quick, Mike. Another burger. No. Ah. Oh yeah, that's it. Oh no. No, no, no. I could have done it too. I just couldn't place it on that corner. I wasn't far enough. I wasn't close enough to do the other corner either. Dang. I was only like day 4. Oh, well, let's try one more restaurant, and then I'll see how to do things.